3, 2, 1.
What was the original air date of the M*A*S*S*H episode Blood Brothers? The answer is D. April 6, 1981. Which mountain is the highest in New Zealand? The answer is D. Aorakisach Mount Cook. What term is used to express the measurement of how high land is above sea level? The answer is B. Elevation. What is the economic theory that argues that markets will regulate themselves if left alone? The answer is D. Austrian school. Some consumers, such as the mushroom, get their energy from what? The answer is B. Dead organic matter. What popular line by Jim Carrey's character Ace Ventura does Morgan Freeman use in the 2003 comedy movie Bruce Almighty? The answer is D. Alrighty then. What is the coldest place on Earth found on a high mountain? The answer is D. Antarctica. Who developed the categorical imperative? The answer is C. Aristotle. Which of these particles can have a mass and a charge? The answer is B. Quark. Amplification that occurs in which cells often requires signal transduction pathways involving second messengers? The answer is B. Sensory receptor. What is the first living thing to be sent into space? The answer is D. Bacteria. Who won the FIFA World Cup for the first time in 1930? The answer is A. Uruguay A. Which of the following breathes? The answer is D. A zebra. What type of living things break down dead organisms and recycle their nutrients into the soil? The answer is D. Decomposers. Who composed the ballet Romeo and Juliet? The answer is B. Prokofiev. What are colored pencils often kept in? The answer is C. Case. Which fruit provides the most fiber per serving? The answer is D. Raspberry. Which device did Steve Jobs introduce as an iPod, a phone, and an internet communicator? The answer is B. iPad. What is the primary instrument used for measuring distances in golf? The answer is D. Tape measure. Uranus was renamed Eurectum in what animated TV series? The answer is C. Futurama. When a battery-operated train is turned on, it moves along the track, which best identifies the order of the types of energy used to make the train move. The answer is D. Chemical, electrical, mechanical. Which river forms the border between Russia and Norway? The answer is A. Volga. What is GDP in economics? The answer is A. Gross domestic product. Who discovered the principle of conservation of energy? The answer is D. James Joule. Which is the longest running of these four popular American TV shows? The answer is C. One Day at a Time. Who was the U.S. naval commander in charge at Pearl Harbor at the time of the attack? The answer is C. Husband Kimmel. Which artist holds the record for the most Grammy Awards? The answer is C. Beyoncé. Which fruit has seeds visible on the outside? The answer is A. Strawberry. Which mountain range includes Mount Fuji? The answer is D. Caucasus. What is the world's tallest plant? The answer is B. Bamboo. What is the name for the term that describes deep ocean water rising the surface? The answer is B. Upwelling. Which artist created the Venus de Milo? The answer is B. Donatello. What type of governmental control has Morocco established? The answer is B. Constitutional monarchy. What does chlorophyll help plants to do? The answer is A. Photosynthesis. What item of clothing is traditionally worn under the shirt? The answer is D. Underwear. In which country is Von-Talin a popular drink? The answer is B. Estonia. What singer won the 1958 Grammy Award for Best Male Vocal Performance? The answer is C. Perry Como for the song Catch a Falling Star. What kind of structure is the Taj Mahal? The answer is C. Mausoleum. What do scientists use to study the deep without going to the seafloor? The answer is B. Remotely operated vehicles. Which European country has a border with all other European countries except one? The answer is C. Germany. Which theory proposes that people have an innate desire for self-improvement? The answer is D. Humanistic psychology. Which item of clothing has pockets on the front and is usually worn by men? The answer is B. Skirt. How many genes does the human DNA contain? The answer is C. About 80,000. Which Emmy-winning actor portrayed Detective Dan Tana on the 70s show Vegas? The answer is D. Robert Urich. Which country is known as the Swiss in sports events? The answer is B. Switzerland. Which chemical element is critical in photosynthesis? The answer is C. Carbon. What is the name of the prostitute character that features in several songs by Iron Maiden? The answer is B. Charlotte. What is a heatwave characterized by high temperatures and dry conditions called? The answer is B. Heat wave. Which landmark book on evolution via natural selection did Charles Darwin publish in 1859? The answer is B. On the Origin of Species. On the TV show Gunsmoke, Festus Hagen was played by which of these actors?